Hi, and welcome back to the online KidSpace Planetarium. As you know, my name is Kate, and I'm your guide for our edition of Night Skies this week. I hope you enjoy watching our show and learn something fun in the process. Our talk this week is going to be for Halloween night, and so I'm going to show you something spooky that will be out in the skies. And of course, in the background, I have some spooky music playing for us, which are actually the sounds of Saturn. They are very spooky indeed if you need something scary to play for trick-or-treaters or your trunk-or-treaters. But let's go ahead and begin on our star tour. As always, down on the bottom left, you can see we are in Westminster, Colorado, and our date is set to October 31st at just a bit after 1900 hours or 7 p.m. I'm going to get us closer to 8 p.m. because this spooky object I'm going to show you will hopefully be high enough in our skies that we won't have to try and look through all the smoke and haze from these wildfires. But we also know from our previous talks that our sun, the moon, the planets, and all of our stars rise out of the east to set in the west. So east here on this view is to our right, west is to our left, up top is south, and down along the bottom is north. We still have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Mars out in our night skies. However, Uranus at this time is going to be behind our full moon. And our full moon on Halloween night marks our second full moon of October, so it gets the name the blue moon. Over time, blue moon has come to mean something very, very rare to something more like 2 full moons in 1 month. Now, the object we are going to look for is going to lie in between our full moon and our North Star Polaris. And so we first need to find our North Star to spot out this creepy object, which is a star that varies greatly in terms of brightness. So to find our North Star, we have 2 tricks up our sleeves. The first trick is using our Big Dipper, which we can't see in this view. But the other trick is finding Queen Cassiopeia, who looks like a W, a 3, a backwards 3, or an M, depending what time of year we're looking for her. So I'm going to select one of her stars now. And this, of course, is Queen Cassiopeia. By taking our 3 stars in the middle, they act like an arrow that will point straight down to our North Star Polaris, which of course is in our little bear there in the night sky. So this creepy object, this creepy star, is in Perseus, who is the son-in-law of Queen Cassiopeia. And he looks kind of like a wishbone here in our night skies. And so there he is now. And the star that we're going to look at makes the eye of Medusa. This star gets the nickname the Demon Star because it varies so much in brightness over just maybe 3 days. It'll go to being something fairly bright in our night skies to something being very dim. We don't need a telescope or binoculars to see this change. It's super obvious in the night skies. And so the start of this week, it's going to be fairly, very bright and then get kind of dim towards the end of the week. But as you can see, it does lay halfway in between our North Star Polaris and our full moon at this time. The star's real name is Algol, which is Arabic for ghoul. That's where we get that from. And it's known as an eclipsing binary. So one of these stars is super, super bright, and the other is really, really dim. But over those 3 days, they pass in front of each other, which causes the stars to get really, really bright or really, really dim. Hence the name, the Demon Star. And so that will be it for our star tour. And at this time, I would like to send a special shout out to my niece Evie and wish her happy birthday. If you would like to have a special shout out for one of your loved ones, please do comment on our most recent Facebook Night Skies talk, or you may directly email me at kate.hall@kidspacelaunch.org. And from all of us here at KidSpace, thanks for watching and happy stargazing.